Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Hadin ke jingbo yo Mawnongrim bantai ko office rekam jong ke Maupat Community and Rural Development Block. Kabalarai banbo akasnong Maupan. Henne ke sengipat ka arpotrek unaitung ke sarkar jela ke pendap ru ya ke jingbo yo Mawnongrim bantai saya ke office rekam jong ke Mawlai Community and Rural Development Block. Kabalarai banbo akasnong Mautawar ke belang ru ke blok ke Southern Rio ha ke jela hi borok kawai. Yau ni Mawnongrim ru lalit banbo hi do menteri rangba ke jela Dr. Mukul Sangma. Ringkat ki menteri sarkar jong kentop ya ke menteri ke bakmi ya katnat ke kot kya ikong Roshan Wajri ibalalong ka sembot kongsan ha ka jelang badu menteri bakmi ya katnat Community and Rural Development ba singa bahalang dhar ki wei ki blaidan lang ha ka ni jelang ki kentop yo MLA bat MDC ka ni kathan kata ba em bahalang simle badu ba piti sokme nang tau MLA jong ka penthor omkra constituency ba AL hang MLA kanong thamai ba Gemino Mautho kinong ilam snong jong kisnong ba per ki baha bapo jong ni ka blok ba lawan man sakhi lang ye ni ka sikhrao jong ni ka thain te ki paj ba nong snong jong ki arp south li kisnong ki banha bapo ka ni ka blok.
Today the good thing that is happening in Meghalaya is because we are able to spare time to plan. We are able to spare time to be able to plan for the prosperity and growth of the state. That's why this is the outcome that we see here today. This whole outcome of our collective endeavor with a little different approach, with a completely different strategy. So friends, I always share with our friends that we as policymakers, we as the true representatives of the people have to understand the dream of people from all walks of life. We have to be able to represent the dream of our young kids. We have to be able to understand the dream of our young children, our young friends, our youth, the school dropouts, their initial dream and the whole perception of complete dislocation of their dream and the likely vulnerability. We have to be able to understand the pains of the mothers, the pains of the fathers, to be able to respond to the dreams of their children. And the dreams of the people as a whole. And on behalf of people, we articulate the dreams and conceptualize the plan for the right kind of way forward for the development and growth of the state.
Collective privilege again to dedicate these